This is cabin 17241 on the Carnival Celebration. This is a spa balcony, and if you're booked in this category room, you get access to the thermal suite spa, which is in Cloud 9. You'll also have bathrobes and slippers inside your cabin, and the 2 guests that are booked in this cabin will also have 2 complimentary fitness classes. Outside of the color scheme being a little bit different in these cabins, having access to the thermal suites and then also having a upgraded body wash and shampoo that they offer in the spa, everything is going to be typical of a regular cabin balcony on a Carnival cruise. So if you're looking for a spa balcony, this is what it looks like. But even if you're looking for a regular balcony, you can get inspiration from this, because a regular balcony is going to look the same as this, other than the color scheme being different, being able to have access to the spa, and then the upgraded toiletries in the bathroom. Now, if you do have a balcony, don't be shy to move your furniture around. Another thing that's standard in a ocean view or balcony cabin is blackout curtains, and these things come in handy when you're trying to take a nap during the day. Another thing is that these little love seats pull out to be a bed if you have a 3rd or 4th occupant in the room. Another thing standard on Carnival's newer ships is this USB by the bed, so that you can plug in your phone or whatever you want to charge. Those are also night lights, and that comes in handy when your partner might be resting and you want to read or need some light for something. Also, if you're putting the bed together and you're not going to have them separated, make sure that you request a mattress pad. A lot of people don't know that you can actually request a mattress pad, and it eliminates that crease in the middle and makes a world of difference when you sleep at night, not having that crease there. And here's that robe and slippers that I talked about that comes in the spa balcony. The slippers are yours to keep, but do not misplace that robe because they will charge you. And this is all the storage that you get for this cabin. Typical of any balcony cabin, you don't get any extra type of storage just because it's a spa balcony. So if you're looking at a balcony cabin, you can use this as inspiration as well. Just keep in mind that the color scheme is different and you do not have access to the spa. These are your light switches to control all the lights in your cabin, and each cabin comes with its own AC and heat, so you have full control over what temperature you want to have in your cabin. One nice feature is these switches that are right here above your bed. It controls the lights so that you don't have to get out of the bed to turn the lights off. Now, one thing I will say about these bathrooms on these newer cruise ships, the bathroom is a lot smaller than on the older cruise ships, but the upside is that you get a glass door for your shower, and I will take that over that god-awful curtain any day. Give me a smaller bathroom in exchange for that shower curtain, and we got a deal. So anyone that's cruised and had their bathroom with the shower curtain, you tell me. I think this is a lot better, but let me know what you think. Do you prefer the curtain over a smaller bathroom, or would you rather have a smaller bathroom with this nice shower without that curtain? So that is it for this cabin tour. I hope that this has been helpful for you and will help you with your planning for your next cruise. I really hope that this has been some valuable information for anyone going on a cruise or has been on a cruise and is always looking to learn something new. And be sure to check out some of my other videos so that it could maybe help you with your cruise planning for other tips. And I'd love to gain you as a new subscriber to the channel. So come along with us as we share glimpses into our life's journey with you, to help with ideas to plan your next adventure. If you found any of my videos or helpful tips useful, please do me a favor and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.